Heathrow landing, runway 27 left. Just confirm you're familiar with the Heathrow crossing procedure.
Copy that Heathrow landing 27 left. We are familiar and we have information. Golf Juliet.
Golf Juliet, thank you. Golf is the latest. I'll come back to you. Stand by. Golf Juliet, you can continue to route H4, H3, H9, standard altitudes. Clearance limit to remain south of Bedfont.
Cleared H4, H3, H9, clearance limit south of Bedfont. Helicopter Golf. Heathrow Tower, Helicopter Golf, Romeo, Echo, Golf Juliet, with you, Sunbury Lock to hold south of Bedfont.
Golf Romeo Echo, Golf Juliet, thank you. Report holding at Bedfont and I'll get back to you.
Report holding at Bedfont, Golf Juliet.
391 left air, 117, bye-bye.
Left 117, on 391, thanks.
So Bedfont
David 89 Papa, clear to land 27 left, 2208.
Sorry, Jen?
The holding point is the hangar just on the south side of the airfield.
It's actually the Hilton Hotel. It's a diamond-shaped building.
Hello, Speedbird 108.
Right on the nose. Yeah, just watch it.
108, hello there, just coming number 2. Continue, the wind is 2208 knots.
Continue, Speedbird 108.
Sorry, 380, right? Just watch your height, Jen. 800 feet, please. Coming up past Feltham, Young Offenders Institute on the left-hand side. Jen's going to just hold us on this course. She's doing a very nice job. And all things considered, they'll give us crossing clearance just behind that A380. So keep moving up.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to take a punt, Jen, and that's going to be our clearance. So keep going up.
Okay.
Don't slow down too much.
Alright.
We might have to put the brakes on, but he has a 3-minute gap behind an A380.
Speedbird 89 Papa, 121.850 as you vacate, bye-bye.
Yeah.
121.850, Speedbird 89 Papa, thanks, bye.
That's that.
Taxi, yeah.
Watch your height down a bit.
800. Yeah.
Speedbird 84 Super, clear to land, 27 left, wind 2207.
Good land, 27 left, Speedbird 84.
Are they being notified that
One
we're...
sec, guys. Golf Juliet, just entering the hold. Bedfont visual with the A380 on short final.
Golf Juliet, thank you, behind the landing 380. Cross 27 left at the threshold behind and then to the east of the 27 right threshold.
East, well, behind the 27 left, cross Virgin Hangar, 27 right, east of the threshold. Golf Juliet, thank you. Okay, you've got the timings.
Heathrow Tower, American 136, established
Maintain 70 knots.
160.
Go full power.
American 136, thanks.
Power.
And just come number 2, continue.
Continue, American 136.
So we're holding in between?
No, we're not.
Okay.
Go straight.
Yeah.
That's what I said, go.
This heading?
Yeah, so go to the Virgin Hangar off to the right side. So over there, Jen.
Yeah.
To the right now. Feet, that's good. Passing Terminal 4. Terminal 2, Terminal 3, Concorde. Still on the approach.
So cool. It's amazing.
Well,
amazing. Yeah.
This heading is good. And in about 30 seconds we'll have a left turn to follow the perimeter road, guys. So it might be a little bit abrupt.
Okay.
800, Jen.
David 84, 121.7, bye-bye.
117, Speedbird 84, correct. I'm going.
Now we get to race Iceland for air.
Yeah, 767 versus a Robinson 44. Boom, 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 boom. We'll do our best, guys.
David 108, clear to land, 27 left, Southwind 2406.
Oh, we've definitely got the jump on him now.
Yeah.
Golf Juliet, continue H9 northbound and back to special 125625, good day.
It's 9 northbound, back to special 12565, thank you very much, sir, good day.
Am I winning?
You are.
Yeah.
You are winning.
We're winning. Unfortunately, we have to peel off.
Oscar,
Straight up here.
Wickham to Wickham, 4 POB, currently
Yo.
for 1,700 feet, the QNH 1024. Request then transit H10 to H4, Isle of Dogs, and reciprocal.
800 straight up here.
Okay.
800 straight up here.
800 here and then up to 1,000.
Traffic just transiting the northwest corner of the zone outside, and there's a primary only contact just to the outside of the zone near Cookham northbound. Keep a good eye out.
And now you can start to go up to 1,000.
Copy traffic, we'll keep looking. Golf number Alpha.
Golf November Alpha, clear to control airspace, VFR, standard operating altitude,
Now you can
810
go up to
bars
1,000
initially.
between here and Hayes.
Clear to enter zone, VFR, standard operating altitude 2 bars.
So
Golf
just
November Alpha.
Hit a radar, Golf Juliet, back with you, 7044.
Golf Juliet Heathrow, continue northbound VFR standard operating altitude H9.
Continue northbound, standard operating altitude to VFR Hotel 9, Golf Juliet.
That's fine.
Very good. There's 1000, level out.
That was very cool.
That was amazing.
It's amazing they let us do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sorry I had to interrupt you.
No, don't worry. I was just going to say, do they get notified that we're crossing as well?
They do,
Okay.
but he hadn't at that stage, so I just wanted to get my call in quickly.
Yeah.
Just come to the left a little bit.
Golf November Alpha, that primary contact turns a bit more northbound, he'll pass down your right hand side. There is an additional contact working Farnborough, looks to be following him, indicating altitude 1,300 feet.
Visual with the first contact, we'll keep a lookout for the second Golf November Alpha.
Yeah.
Golf Charlie Hotel traffic information is an R44 just north of Cookham at the moment. We'll be joining the zone H10 eastbound VFR, currently 1,400 feet.
Golf Charlie Hotel looking.
So do we go to
Golf November Alpha,
Gutteridge?
once you've joined control there,
Sorry?
Do we go to Gutteridge and out that way?
Fixed wing, I believe, just south of Burnham at the moment, northbound to leave the zone VFR, currently 1,000 feet.
Copy traffic, we'll keep a lookout, Golf November Alpha.
Just keep this heading or to actually go to Gutteridge to cross?
Go to Gutteridge, cross please.
Golf Charlie Hotel, so we're struggling to read the strip marking here. What's the aircraft type?
EV97, it's the Eurostar, Golf Charlie Hotel.
Thanks. Golf November Alpha, that traffic's a Eurostar.
Copy November Alpha.
That's a blow, my camera cut out just as we crossed just before we
No,
crossed
is
Heathrow.
mine still going?
Yours has got like literally about 10 seconds left. But, so I might need to oink your footage.
No problem.
And then, because I've got the audio, you've got the footage.
I'll swap you.
Indeed.
Golf Charlie Hotel, cleared now VFR and above altitude 1,500 feet. The helicopter's just to the left of your 12 o'clock, range of 4 miles, joining the zone at 1,400 feet.
Golf Charlie Hotel, roger, not above 1,500 feet. Golf Charlie Hotel.
Golf Juliet, you'll leave the zone at Northwood where the radar service will terminate. If you retain the squawk until you've left controlled airspace, you can free-call Denham now on 130.725. Goodbye.
We'll call Denham 130.75, keeping the squawk. Thank you very much, Golf Juliet.